Hey guys, this is Tegan and today I'm going to show you how to make edible slime. And what you need are Starburst, doesn't care what color, and convectioner sugar, the powdered kind, not like the little stuff. And then you're going to need a container and something to mix. Well, you don't need this actually, but make sure you unwrap all your Starburst like this. So I am going to be done unwrapping this in 2 seconds. See ya when I'm done unwrapping these. Okay, so now I unwrapped all my 3 Starbursts. This is the one I made before, and I love it so much. And if I were you, I would have a lot more of these than how much I have, because then it could be bigger. And then what you're gonna want to do is put it in a container and put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. And then if it's still kind of hard, then put it in for like another 15 seconds. Okay, so now I took it out of the microwave, and now you want to stir it up. First, I'm going to take it out here, and be careful, it's kind of hot. And put it on, or put it in the container. Make sure it's a container you don't care about. And just mash it up a little bit. So, and mine's really liquidy right now. So now what you're going to want to do is put your convectioner sugar in your thing, and then put your Starburst in it, and then there's like that stuff on it, and then you're going to want to mush it around. Until how long you would like it. So yeah, and then you can stretch it and stuff. I need to put a lot more in mine right now because it doesn't stretch as far as I want it, and then you can actually eat it. See? This one already kind of hardened. This one's a lot better right now, I think. Powdered sugar is so good. I don't know why, but I love powdered sugar. Okay, so now for the taste test. Oh wait, there's still some stuff I need to get mixed around in here. But other than that, that's really good. So tell me down below what you would like me to do next. Make sure you like, subscribe, and add a comment down below what you want me to do. And make sure you add the notification bell. And once I get to 15 subscribers, I'm going to be giving a giveaway. And make sure you guys just subscribe and stuff if you guys can. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!